Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where the code items are on Dress to Impress. So you might be wondering and thinking, where did all of the code items go? Let me just put on a cute simple hairstyle. You're just going to walk here. You're going to walk in this wardrobe section. Press E. And here's basically where all of the items went. You can just click on these and see the items that have been removed from Dress to Impress. So these ones are the code ones, I think. And these are all the code ones. And this one has the brat pack. This one's just the brat pack. And this one has the items that got removed when you bought it. Unfortunately, I didn't purchase anything under that category. But yeah, that is it. That's where you can find all of your code items and the items that you had on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.